In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Respondus LockDown browser on your Mac computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to it.miami.edu/respondus. When prompted, enter your login ID and password. Then, authenticate with MFA. From the Respondus webpage, scroll down to the Students section, then click Download the Respondus LockDown browser. Next, click the Download button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file and click to launch the installer. On the pop-up, click Allow and Continue to proceed. When prompted, click Agree to agree to the license agreement. Then click Install. Next, enter your computer password and click Install Software. Once installation is complete, click Close and then Move to Trash. LockDown browser is now installed and can be found in your Applications folder. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.